Alright guys, let's resume and check out what's ahead of us. So here is the Surya Namaskar steps. This is the yoga place. At the back you see the yoga mat. Really good place, and this is the meditation place. We might just rest a while and maybe meditate a bit. As we walk down the path, let's see what we have in store. Yeah, lucky guys around this place who can actually come in over every day and maybe give themselves a bit of exercise, practice some yoga, meditate a bit. So this Saurabh Kalia is quite big, 35 acres. So it might just take half of the day to explore and chill and relax a bit in here. Quite big. So let's walk down into the woods. I will catch you later again. That's the back view. See ya.